We're now going to show you how to install a John Gust angle stop valve under your sink. What you're looking at is the cold water shutoff valve. Robbie's now going to turn the water off. Go ahead, Robbie. That's the first step. Turn the water off. Then you remove the braided line using a pair of channel locks or a wrench if you happen to have a wrench. It's important to make sure the water's turned off before you do this. To continue installing the John Gust fitting, the first thing to do is to wrap some Teflon tape clockwise around the threads. That way, when you put it on, when you screw on the fitting, it won't try and unravel the tape. So it's important to remember that. Wrap any tape on clockwise because that's the direction you're going to be tightening in. Now you screw on the part that fits from, there's an adapter part that comes with your John Gust angle stop valve, and we're just putting that on first. In some cases you won't need this adapter, but this angle stop valve fits both standard sizes of plumbing. Nice and snug. You don't have any leaks this way. This is a self-sealing fitting here, and there is no Teflon tape needed. Now this can be done with channel locks again, but we're using wrenches here. To complete the installation of your John Gust angle stop valve, you want to wrap Teflon tape around this fitting. Again, clockwise, not counterclockwise, but clockwise. And then reattach the braided water line to that. Tighten it up with your channel locks till it's nice and snug. And the final step is to insert the 1/4-inch water line in until it hits bottom, and then give it a good tug to make sure it's locked in tight. And that's it. Once you've installed your John Gust angle stop valve, you can then turn the water back on. And then you'll notice there's a valve on the angle stop valve that you need to also turn. That's the off position. This is the on position. You'll want to check for leaks and make sure there aren't any leaks once you get the water running. If there are, you just need to put more tape on and tighten things up. Now that you have your water line attached to your John Gust angle stop valve under the sink, you pass the other end up through a hole in your countertop. Attach it to the John Gust fitting on the bottom of the machine, the cold water inlet line. Give it a little tug, and you're good to go.